Hello there. How y'all doing? I hope you're doing great. Today I've decided to make a slow cooker meal. I'm going to make the honey garlic chicken with veggies. I want to mention that this video is in collab with my new friend over at Mama Cat's home. I'm so thankful that she invited me to do this collab, and I'm excited to see what comes of it, and I hope to learn and meet so many new people on this YouTube family. I also will have her video linked down in my description box below, and I'm so thankful that she asked me to do this collab. During the month of October, on every Friday, we will be posting a new slow cooker recipe. And I just want to thank y'all for stopping by my channel. I hope that you're doing well, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe. I've never made it before. I just seen it online, and I seen it had a lot of amazing reviews, and hey, I had chicken, I had carrots, and I had taters. Go ahead and get the sauce going for this recipe. It's going to call for a half a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of honey, a fourth a cup of ketchup, some ground black pepper. It also calls for red pepper flakes, but I don't have any, and I think it'll be fine without it. It also called for oregano and basil. Again, I don't have that, but I do have this dried Italian seasoning that has oregano and basil and a few other herbs, which I think it'll be just fine. And of course, some garlic. I decided to use this measuring cup because it's pretty good size, and that way I can just measure and mix at the same time. So let's get our half a cup of soy sauce. Oh boy, that's gonna take a while. And a half a cup of honey. And then we just need a fourth a cup of ketchup. I'm gonna add some black pepper. And then the herbs and some garlic. 2 cloves worth. And I'm just gonna give this a mix. Okay, now let's get our other ingredients ready for the vegetables. We need potatoes and carrots. This will be plenty for us for a couple of meals. That's what I love about cooking at home and slow cooker meals, is that you can prepare as much as you need for your family. Hey guys, so I have my chicken in my slow cooker pot. I have 1 chicken breast and 2 chicken thighs. Like I said, we will get 2 meals out of this. So one night we'll have chicken thighs, and the next night we'll have a chicken breast to kind of switch it up a little bit. But do whatever you have on hand. For that, I'm going to add in my taters and my carrots. And then I had some mushrooms in the refrigerator that needs to be used up. And I didn't really have anything that I could think of the next couple days to use them. So I'm just going to drop in some mushrooms to mine, because I do not have any green beans to put in mine, so that will just be another little extra yummy goodness. So now that we've got our mushrooms, our carrots, and our potatoes and our chicken in, all we have to do now is pour in our yummy sauce we made. And you may have noticed that I cut my potatoes and carrots pretty small because I'm getting a late start today. And I want this to be able to cook on high within 3 to 4 hours. Of course, if you have plenty of time, or you're going to make this before work, put it on low for 6 to 8 hours and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to get this in the crock pot and I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Here's a little sneak peek. We are a little over halfway through. Got a couple more hours. Can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. Smells very, very good. So here is the final product, all plated up. I put a thigh on there, and then I cut up some of the chicken breasts so you could see what it looked like. I decided to take some of the sauce and thicken it to make a little bit of a gravy to put over top. We enjoyed this meal and it was very delicious. I know it doesn't look as appetizing because the soy sauce kind of made everything dark. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.